Hello children, this is Archana, your English teacher. In this video, I am going to teach you a very important topic of English grammar, that is articles. Let us see what are articles. The words a, and the are called articles. But where do these articles come in a sentence? These articles come before nouns. Understand more about articles. Do you know children? English language has two types of articles. They are indefinite articles and definite article. Article A and article an come under indefinite articles, whereas article the comes under definite article. Do you want to know why these articles are called indefinite and definite? Let me tell you. Now let us see why is article A or article an called indefinite. Let us understand by its name. Children, what is the meaning of the word indefinite? Indefinite means non-specific. That means not detailed or not exact, just general. Article A or article an used to talk about the objects which are not specific. That means which are just general. That's why these articles are called indefinite articles. Now let us understand through examples. A doctor. Here I am not talking about any particular doctor. A doctor means any doctor. Now let us see the second example. A pen. A pen means any pen. It may be a blue ink pen, it may be a red ink pen, it may be from any brand. No idea. Just a pen. Now let us see the third example. A lawyer. A lawyer means any lawyer. An orange, any orange. An umbrella, any umbrella. So, article A or article an used to talk about the objects which are just general. That's why these articles are called indefinite articles. Let us see why is the called definite article. What is the meaning of the word definite, children? Definite means exact, precise and specific. Usually, we use article the to talk about specific nouns. Let us understand it through a few examples. Let me give you one example. He is the doctor who treated me when I was sick. In this example, I mentioned the doctor. But when I explained about indefinite articles, I just mentioned a doctor. Now tell me what is the difference between a doctor and the doctor. A doctor means any doctor. The doctor means a specific doctor. Here, in this particular sentence, my focus is on that particular doctor who treated me when I was sick, but not any other doctor. So, I am talking about a particular person. So, that's why I use article, definite article. Now, look at the second example. She is the lawyer who handled the case. Here I am specifically talking about that particular lady or that particular person who handled the case. That's why I used the definite article. Now the next one. This is the pen which I wanted to give you. So here I am talking about that particular pen which I wanted to give you. A specific pen. So article the is used to talk about specific objects. So that's why it is called definite article. Explore more about their usage. The choice between article A and article an is exclusively determined by sound. Sound? What is the sound I am talking about? You might be thinking about this, right? Exactly. Let me tell you. You know that English alphabet has 26 letters. You already know that these letters are divided into two types, such as vowels and consonants. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Excluding these 5, the remaining are called consonants. So, based on these vowel and consonant sounds, we choose article A or article an. So, the usage of article A and article an is completely determined by the sound. These two articles are used to introduce nouns, and they are used for singular countable nouns. Now tell me, what are singular countable nouns? Let me tell you. For example, a book. If there are more than one books, you say books. For example, a pen. If you find more than one pen, you say pens, because these are countables. And you can use these articles depending on the vowel and consonant sound. But coming to uncountable nouns, for example, tea. Can you say a tea? A tea is completely unacceptable. You cannot say a tea, but you can say a cup of tea, 2 cups of tea, but you cannot say a tea because it is uncountable. So we cannot use article a or article an before uncountable nouns. You need to remember, article an is used before vowel sound and article a is used before consonant sound. Children, now let us see the examples of article a. A book, a cap, a doctor, a fish, a gate, a horse, a yard, a man, a university, a union, a European, a useful article, a unicorn, and a 1 rupee note. Have you observed anything, children? If you consider the examples from a book to a man, we find consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, Y and M. But what about the next part of examples? A university, a union, a European, a useful article, a unicorn and a 1 rupee note. They began with vowels, but they produce consonant sound. Like a university, Y sound, a union, Y sound, a European, E and U together make Y sound, a useful article, Y sound, a unicorn, Y sound, and a 1 rupee note. Here the word one is pronounced as W-O-N-1, which is the past form of win. So, I told you article a or article an completely determined by sound. So, you have to check the sound before you use the article. That is very important in this topic. Now let us see a few examples of article an. You know that article an is used before vowel sound, right? An enemy, an ink pad, an orange, an umbrella, an Englishman, an apple, an award, an ugly duck, an itchy sweater, an actor, an invitation card, an eagle. All these words began with vowel. So we have used an. But what about the last two? An hour, an honest man. These two words began with H. That is consonant. But why did we use article an here? You need to understand one thing. Here the letter H is silent. The letter H is silent and these two words make vowel sound. Though they began with consonant, they make vowel sounds. So that's why we have to use article an. Just simply remember this point. You need to remember that the usage of article a or article an completely determined by sound. Now let us discuss about the usage of definite article the. Firstly and most importantly, you need to remember that definite article is used to refer specific objects. For example, the book you want is out of stock. Here in this example, the book refers to a particular book. That means a specific book which you wanted to buy is out of stock, but not any other book. Now let us look at the second example. The person who is walking on the road is my math teacher. So here I am referring to a specific person. So that's why I used the definite article. Definite article is also used when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. For example, the cow is a useful animal. Here, cow is a singular noun, but it represents the entire class of cows. Children, you can also reframe the sentence with the same meaning without using the definite article the. For example, cows are useful animals. Here the meaning of the first sentence and the second sentence is same. In the same way, the rose is the sweetest of all flowers. The word rose is singular, but it denotes the entire class of roses. You can also restructure the same sentence like, roses are the sweetest of all flowers. Here the meaning of the first sentence and the second sentence is same. It is used before some proper names, such as before the names of oceans, seas, rivers and canals. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, the Ganga River and the Suez Canal. Definite article is used before deserts, group of islands and mountain ranges. For example, the Sahara Desert, the West Indies and the Himalayas. Definite article is also used before a very few names of countries, which include words like republic, states and kingdom. For example, the United Kingdom, the Irish Republic, the United States of America. Also used before the names of religious books such as the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible and the Quran. Definite article is also used before the names of newspapers, the Times of India, the Hindu and the Indian Express. Definite article is used before the unique things such as the sun, the sky, the earth and the moon. Definite article is also used with superlatives. For example, Mount Everest is the highest peak. Michael is the best dancer. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. If you consider the first example, the word highest is the superlative form of high. If you consider the second example, the word best is the superlative degree of the adjective good. If you consider the third example, biggest is the superlative form of the adjective big. So before superlative forms of adjectives, we need to use the article the, which is definite. Definite article is also used with musical instruments such as the flute, the piano, the guitar. Not only these three, with all the musical instruments, we have to use article the. Definite articles are also used with a few names of countries, which include words like republic, states and kingdom. For example, the United Kingdom, the Irish Republic, the United States of America. We will see about the pronunciation of definite article. There is a variation in pronunciation depending on the situation, looking at whether it is vowel sound or consonant sound. The definite article is pronounced as the before vowel sound. For example, the apple, the end, but not the apple, the end. A and E are vowels, so you have to pronounce it as the apple, the end, but not the apple, the end. Now connect the words. You need to connect these two words. Connect the words if they have vowel sound. That means you need to maintain continuity when you are pronouncing them. For example, the apple, the end, but not the apple, the end. It is the apple, the end. You should maintain the continuity. Next, rule number 3. Add a short Y sound. For example, the emperor, the answer, the end. I have added little Y sound when I started pronouncing these words. Now let me read out the sentences for you. The emperor is at the war. I have the answer to the question. This is the end of the video. Now let us see rule number 4. Say the before consonant sound, the day, the month, etc. This is all about articles. I hope you all understood the concept articles. Thank you. See you. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe.